Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Pasta Recipe book is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your kitchen arsenal, offering a gateway to a world of culinary delights right at your fingertips. Imagine transforming simple ingredients into restaurant-quality pasta dishes with ease, impressing your friends and family with authentic flavors and creative presentations. This isn't just a collection of recipes, it's an invitation to explore the rich history and diverse traditions of pasta making, from classic Italian comfort food to innovative global twists that will tantalize your taste buds and elevate your home cooking experience to new heights. Number 5. Ninja CREAMi Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the joy of creating delicious frozen treats right in your own kitchen. This cookbook is your perfect guide to mastering homemade ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and more. Say goodbye to store-bought and hello to fresh, personalized desserts. You'll learn simple techniques to whip up incredible flavors with ease. Explore a world of possibilities, from rich, creamy ice creams to refreshing, vibrant sorbets. We'll show you how to achieve perfect results every time. Designed specifically for beginners, each recipe is easy to follow and yields fantastic results. You don't need any prior experience to start creating amazing desserts. Elevate your dessert game with this essential cookbook. It's packed with inspiration and practical tips to help you create unforgettable frozen delights. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with homemade creations. It's time to start experimenting and enjoying the best frozen treats you've ever tasted. What we like. This book is perfect for those new to making frozen desserts. It offers a wide range of recipes for ice cream, gelato, and sorbet. If you're looking to easily create delicious frozen treats at home, this is the one for you. What people say. This pasta cookbook is a great addition to my kitchen. It has a wide variety of recipes, from classic Italian dishes to more modern twists. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. I love the layout of this cookbook. The recipes are well organized, and the photos are beautiful. It's inspiring to look through, and I've already made several delicious pasta dishes. The author provides helpful tips and techniques throughout the book, which have really improved my pasta making skills. I appreciate the detailed explanations of different pasta shapes and sauces. Number 4. Pasta, the spirit and craft of Italy's greatest food. Embark on a culinary journey to the heart of Italy. Explore the rich history and authentic techniques behind its most beloved food. This isn't just a cookbook, it's a celebration of a culinary art form. Learn the secrets passed down through generations. Unlock a collection of genuine Italian recipes that will transport your taste buds. Experience the true essence of Italian cooking in your own kitchen. Delve into the intricate craft of making perfect pasta. Understand the dedication and skill that goes into every strand and shape. It's a story, a tradition, and a way of life. Discover why this food is considered the greatest in Italy and how it brings people together. What we like. Dive deep into the soul of Italian cuisine with this guide. It emphasizes the artistry and tradition behind pasta making. If you appreciate the cultural heritage of food and seek authentic Italian flavors, this cookbook will be your guide. What people say. This book has a great variety of pasta dishes from simple to complex. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. I love the beautiful photography of each dish. It makes you want to cook them immediately. Number 3. Ultimate Pasta Machine Cookbook. Discover the endless possibilities of your pasta maker. This cookbook is your guide to creating every kind of amazing pasta you can imagine. Explore a collection of 100 mouth-watering recipes designed for your machine. From classic spaghetti to unique shapes, we have you covered. Making fresh pasta at home has never been easier. Follow our simple instructions and enjoy restaurant-quality results in your own kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, these recipes will inspire you. Elevate your meals with homemade pasta made simple. Learn to make the most of your appliance with this comprehensive guide. It's time to create truly amazing pasta dishes. What we like. Unlock the full potential of your pasta maker with this extensive collection. It features 100 recipes covering every imaginable pasta shape and style. If you own a pasta machine and want to explore its capabilities with endless creative options, this is an essential addition. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginners. It includes a wide variety of pasta dishes, from classic to modern. The book is beautifully illustrated with high-quality photos of each dish. Number 2. Pasta, the Ultimate Cookbook. Discover the art of crafting perfect pasta from scratch. This cookbook is your guide to creating authentic Italian dishes that will impress. Explore a collection of traditional Italian recipes, passed down through generations. Each dish is designed for both novice and experienced cooks. Whether you're craving a quick weeknight meal or an elaborate feast, you'll find recipes to suit every occasion. Elevate your home cooking with ease. Learn to make a variety of pasta shapes and pair them with delicious, complementary sauces. Master the fundamentals and explore creative variations. Embark on a flavorful journey into the world of pasta. This ultimate cookbook provides everything you need to become a pasta-making pro. What we like. This is your go-to resource for all things pasta. It provides a comprehensive collection of recipes designed to cover every aspect of pasta dishes. If you're seeking a single, all-encompassing pasta cookbook that offers a vast array of options, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the instructions are clear. This book has a great variety of pasta dishes, from simple weeknight meals to more elaborate options. I love the pictures that accompany each recipe. They make it easy to see what the finished dish should look like. Number 1. The Best Pasta Cookbook. Unlock the secrets to perfect pasta with this comprehensive cookbook. Discover 100 classic recipes that will elevate your home cooking. From simple weeknight dinners to impressive dishes for entertaining, find a recipe for every occasion. Explore a world of authentic Italian flavors. Each recipe is designed for clarity and ease, ensuring delicious results every time. Perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Experience the true taste of Italy with traditional and beloved pasta dishes. We guide you through every step to achieve genuine flavor. This is your essential resource for all things pasta. Make every meal a memorable occasion with these timeless recipes. What we like. Master the most beloved pasta dishes with this collection of classics. It presents 100 timeless recipes that are sure to become family favorites. If you enjoy traditional comfort food and want to perfect the most popular pasta recipes, this cookbook is ideal. What people say. This book has a great variety of pasta dishes, from simple weeknight meals to more elaborate options for special occasions. The recipes are clearly written and easy to follow, with helpful tips and techniques included. I love the beautiful photography in this cookbook. Each dish looks absolutely delicious and inspiring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.